Zorin OS versus Linux Mint. What is the best? So guys, this video will now. Let's get started with Zorin OS. Zorin OS it is alternative Windows and Mac OS designed to make your computer faster and powerful and secure and respecting. So guys, this is the some dashboard of this Zorin OS. You can see here it is clean, thumbnail and beautiful. And then guys, you have this for it is exactly what a desktop operating system should be. It is speed and really shines. You have a lot of things you can discover with this powerful system. You can streamline and computer old as 50 years. That means you can keep using your PC longer to save your money on upgrade and reduce waste to help environment. Secure guys, reliable and privacy respecting. This is all features. You have this pro plan guys, you can check pro plan this here. You can download and try this great tools. This is the price. Linux Mint guys, it is operating system for desktop and laptop computer. It's designed to work out box and fully equipped with app most people need. Graphic, you have graphic design, 3D blender draw. You have multimedia and gaming. Access more than 7,000 games, sorry, and enjoy. You can enjoy your music and watch TV and listen to podcast and Spotify. You have project options, solid, and you have free open source community home rules. A lot of options guys, you can see from here. You have different features from here guys. This is the last version you can see here. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video